Kenya muske William RUTO nigo gutkubugo kera rero aikiranetase umuyaga Gochengera Emiaka 20 yekiama kia ODM ase county area ya Mombasa una hegati y'ABARAI abachagetie ekiamekyo muraibwense nigo amwakire mbuyamono nyagosira muske Raila Odinga ase okogendia ekiamekya ase miaka iga yonsi nabiga segati y'ABARAI bari hanyate koba gakubatigera OBORAI asa basabiri babeke ebirengerero byabo amona kwenekia KOBWATESIA bari serikali yaye asogoche kwenekia OBORAI obuya nabego kwenekia amagendro ase chinse mochonsi.
We celebrate ODM at 20. I must tell you, the family of ODM, beyond everything else, we must work together towards moving this great country called Kenya, because that is why we came together then. And it was right then as it is right today. We may have come together then as individuals. We may be coming together now as political parties, but the mission is the same. Raila Odinga was not a tribalist. Yes. He believed in Kenya. You know, he always extended, you know, his wings to cover as many people as possible. You've heard the story of Mumbi Ngaru here, and many other people. And so that is the person, the man, Raila Odinga. And so as we celebrate 20 years of ODM, we celebrate the life of the party leader of ODM. And we want to say to Raila Odinga, you have left a rich, solid, and strong legacy behind you. So otherwise, nimeshukuru sana, my good friends. I just want to assure you of my goodwill, my support in every way, that you will need any support from this administration. There are members of ODM in senior positions in this administration. You will not lack the network to be able to access government. And I am very proud, by the way, of the contribution of the ODM members in this broad-based administration.
It's being said here, maybe lightly, but ODM under Raila has midwifed stability and transitional and smooth transition in this country.